Stir-fried frog with lemongrass, turmeric, and onions is a flavorful specialty that attracts diners because of the harmonious combination of rustic yet sophisticated ingredients. This is a suitable dish to introduce to friends, not only because of its delicious taste but also because of its tradition. This dish has a strong hometown flavor, reminiscent of cozy family meals, where simplicity and intimacy are always present.
Prepare ingredients: 500 grams cleaned frog meat, washed with diluted salt water and lemon and drained. Use scissors to cut 2 thighs. Tap the frog's back to soften the bones, then cut in half. Then marinate with a little garlic, a little salt, pepper and fish sauce. 150 grams of grated lemongrass, 3 small onions, peeled, washed and cut into segments, 1/4 chopped Palermo chili, 2 thinly sliced purple onions, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Stir-fried frog. Heat cooking oil in a pan, add garlic, lemongrass and shallots and sauté until fragrant. Next, add the frog meat and stir-fry until firm. Add a little salt, fish sauce and sugar to taste if needed. When the frog meat is hunted, add turmeric and stir well so that the frog meat absorbs color and flavor evenly. Then, add the onion and Palermo pepper and stir-fry quickly for about 2 minutes to keep the onion crispy. If you like spicy, you can add minced chili at this time. It's fragrant, turn off the stove. So we have finished the stir-fried frog with lemongrass, turmeric and onions.
Enjoy. Scoop the frog onto a plate, sprinkle some black pepper to add flavor. Stir-fried frog with lemongrass, turmeric and onions is best when served hot. Served with white rice or fresh vermicelli, you are guaranteed to wow at the delicious and rich flavor of this dish. This dish is not only delicious but also nutritious, rich in protein and minerals. Hope you all enjoy delicious food and have moments of laughter together. This dish is not just a meal, but also a symphony of flavors and emotions, bringing you and your loved ones truly romantic moments. See you again with other delicious dishes.